You are welcome to my channel. OS Jeremiah is my name, cryptocurrency specialist from Nigerian country. In this episode, I'm going to show you exactly what to buy. So far, market have been plummeting down to the south, and a lot of people are looking for what to buy. So I'm going to use my special experience to cover what to buy, so that in the future you are going to appreciate me a lot. Let's look at the most cryptocurrency tracking platform in the entire world, which is CoinMarketCap, followed by CoinGecko. But we are live in CoinMarketCap. You can see, let's see Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin now, 54K thousand, $54,000. Let's go to Bitcoin as a case study, and let me show you the secret. This is Binance trading exchange, the biggest cryptocurrency centralized exchange in the entire world. So let's go to Binance chart and view Bitcoin. Let's go to trade. Let's go to home. Let's go to trade markets. Let's use Bitcoin slash USDT as a case study. Now let's go to it. It's a long time chart. Now when you look at the screen very well, you can see that Bitcoin all-time high so far is $69,000, and the market pummeled since so far $69,000 on the 10th of November year 2021, and for that is for the past 7 days now. So the Bitcoin is now in the dip because it has lost about 50% based on the present price. Bitcoin has lost about 15% based on the present price, but it is trading now in almost 60K. So please buy Bitcoin now because it is now in the dip. Ethereum lost the same from almost $45,000. Sorry, from almost $4,500, and now trading at 4,000. It's an opportunity for you to make an insane profit in the future. Binance Coin, which is the cryptocurrency of the exchange we are just left now, also trading at 562 now, and it has went as high as 691 in the past. You can now see that Binance has lost more than even 10%, around 15 to 20% now. So it's an opportunity for you to make something big in the future. Solana also went a lot of crazy this year, but it's in the dip now. So get in. Ripple is a long time project in the banking payment system. Ripple disrupts whatever the problem we have been passing through in the banking system quiet for so many years. So it's an opportunity for you to get it very cheaply. Polkadot, which is a beauty platform, is also very cheap. There's nothing bad in taking little risk. In number 10 on the screen at the top, look at the top on the screen, which is Dogecoin. That is a pure meme coin, and Dogecoin is a pioneer of all the entire meme coin in the cryptocurrency industry. So there's nothing bad for you to take little risk in Doge, and it's now trading as 23 cents. Let's go to number 11, which is a Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is another meme coin. Shiba Inu is another meme coin that have been killing it quiet for a few days. So there's nothing bad in taking a little risk in Shiba Inu. When you look at the screen very well, you can see that it has lost a lot because of it went as high as so many profits this year, and it's now trading down in the dip. Let me add another one case story. Uniswap at 21, and it's very cheap. And lastly, I'm going to round off in number 46. Look at the screen in PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap, so popular decentralized liquidity exchange now trading at $16. That is pretty cheap compared to what you may likely achieve in the future. So it is as simple as that. There is no single reason for you to be panicked. Get in now, and I believe you are going to appreciate me a lot in the future. Below this video, by the left side, make sure that you like it for it to go viral. By the right side, make sure that you share it across. Sharing is caring. Also, the most important thing, make sure that you subscribe below this video by the right side. When you subscribe, so that you make sure that you subscribe and put the highest notification or all notification, so that you gain access to the video I used to post. I used to post minimum of 5 to 7 videos in every, sometimes 3 to 4, depends on my schedule, how tight my schedule is. And below this video, at the same time, after you have subscribed and put on notification, make sure that you click the comment below and click description. You are going to access my Telegram link, where you can access highly profitable content ever in the cryptocurrency industry. Click the description below now, and you're going to see my Telegram links, other link, but Telegram precisely, and access my Telegram. You can also follow me on Twitter, where you can be learning massively about cryptocurrency every day. And lastly, in the comments below, click the comments now. Let me hear your voice. Have you benefit anything in this video, or I'm doing it wrong? Let me know in the comments. And also, do you have any problem you are passing through in the cryptocurrency industry? Let me know in the comments, and I'm going to reply you immediately. OS Jaren is my name, your cryptocurrency specialist from Jaren Country. Thank you for your time. Watch out for another power pack episode within the next 24 hours. Thank you.